Okay friends, to get started on our blower motor resistor, first we're going to locate it. It's located right here. So first what we need to do is disconnect our wiring harness. To do that, I'm just going to come right over to this tab right here. I'm just going to pry it away, and then we'll lift this up and away from the resistor. Anytime you remove an electrical connector, you always want to inspect it. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's probably corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. If that looks good, we'll set it aside. Now the next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and push on this so it's slid out of the way a little bit. Then we'll continue on by removing our 3 mounting bolts. There's our last bolt. Grab onto that resistor, give it a nice wiggle to break it free, and then remove it. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time for our install. When we put this in, we want to make sure that the springs are facing towards the driver's side, and this panel right here is facing towards the passenger side. Line this up with where it needs to go. Start in all of your bolts and then snug them up. Okay, there we are. All 3 are bottomed out. I'm just going to go ahead and move this back over. Of course, if that bolt's loose, just go ahead and snug it up. Now we're just going to take our wiring, go ahead and connect it in. Here we are. Got a nice click going, and then give it a nice tug to make sure it's secure. Okay, so we got it all back together. Now all you have to do is hop in the truck and try your blower motor on all speeds.